Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're going to learn how to write an essay about my favorite day, or best day ever, specially made for elementary school students. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the essay paragraph by paragraph and sentence by sentence, so you clearly understand what to write, why you write it, and how it should sound. By the end of this video, you'll be able to write this essay confidently on your own. Are you ready? Let's start with the introduction paragraph. In the first paragraph, you should introduce what your favorite day is and how you felt about it. This paragraph tells the reader what day you are talking about and why it is special to you. Keep the sentences short, clear, and simple, especially because this essay is for elementary students. You can begin by naming the day, such as your birthday, a holiday, or a school event. Then, explain briefly why it was the best day for you and how you felt. This helps the reader understand your topic right away. Here is the full introduction paragraph. My favorite day was my last birthday. It was the best day ever because I felt very happy and special. I had been waiting for this day for a long time. Now let's move on to the second paragraph, which talks about what happened in the morning. In this paragraph, you describe how the day started. You can write about what your family did, how you felt when you woke up, or what happened at school. This helps the reader imagine your day from the beginning. You should mention simple actions, such as getting wishes, receiving a gift, or going to school. These details make your essay more interesting and real. Here is the full second paragraph. In the morning, my parents wished me a happy birthday and gave me a small gift. I felt very excited when I opened it. After breakfast, I went to school, and my friends surprised me with birthday wishes. My teacher also wished me and allowed me to share chocolates with my classmates. Next is the third paragraph, where you talk about the main celebration. This is usually the most exciting part of your favorite day, so you can write more details here. You can mention a party, guests, food, cake, or any fun activity. This paragraph shows why the day was truly special. Try to explain what happened step by step so the reader can clearly picture the moment. Here is the full third paragraph. In the afternoon, my family prepared a small birthday party at home. My cousins and friends came to celebrate with me. There was a big chocolate cake with candles on it. I made a wish and cut the cake while everyone clapped and smiled. Now let's look at the fourth paragraph, which describes fun activities and feelings. In this paragraph, you write about what you did during the celebration and how you felt. You can mention playing games, laughing, receiving gifts, or spending time with loved ones. This paragraph shows your happiness and gratitude. It's important to use feeling words like happy, thankful, or excited to express your emotions clearly. Here is the full fourth paragraph. We played games, took photos, and laughed a lot. I received many lovely gifts and felt thankful for all the love and care. The day ended with a delicious dinner with my family. Finally, we come to the conclusion paragraph. The conclusion is where you summarize your feelings and restate why this day is your favorite. Keep it short and positive. This paragraph gives a nice ending to your essay and leaves a good impression on the reader. You can talk about memories, happiness, or how you will remember this day forever. Here is the full conclusion paragraph. In conclusion, my birthday was my favorite day because it was full of joy, love, and beautiful memories. I will always remember it as the best day ever. So that's how you write an essay about my favorite day, or best day ever, for elementary school students. If you follow this structure, starting with the introduction, then describing the events in order, sharing your feelings, and ending with a simple conclusion, you'll be able to write a clear and beautiful essay every time. I hope this step-by-step explanation helps you understand what to write, how to write it, and why each paragraph is important. Try writing your own favorite day using this format and simple sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and comment below if you want more essay topics or writing help. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing your writing, and I'll see you in the next video.